I'm a master student at Nanjing Normal University, and this poster presents our open neuroimaging meta database on self-referential processing. Um, self Self-referential processing is essential for understanding the self, but studies using the self-referential encoding task vary a lot in design and reporting. This makes it hard to compare findings across the literature. To solve this problem, we created a standardized database of 136 self-referential encoding task neuroimaging studies covering healthy individuals and patients. All studies were manually curated. We extracted coordinate data about FMI, task futures, contrasts, and demographic information, and organize them into a clean open access structure. Let me see this data file structure. This allows researchers to easily perform meta-analysis, functional decoding, or cross-study comparisons. Using this database, we conducted ALE analysis and found consistent neural alterations in psychiatric population. For example, posterior cingulate and right inferior frontal gyrus hyperactivation and right precuneus hypoactivation. This pattern suggests that altered self-referential processing may be a transdiagnostic future. Overall, our goal is to provide a transparent, reusable resource that supports future research on self-related cognition. This database is openly available. You can open this link and through our database. And we welcome others to use and build on it. Yeah, it's a open data set. Yeah. Thank you for your attention. That's my presentation.